In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer tie rod ends on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Remove the wheel. We're going to use a 17mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. Before we take the last one out, I am going to hold the wheel from falling. And just grab the wheel, slide it out. I'm going to loosen up the jam nut first. Take a 21mm wrench, loosen it up. That's good. Using a 22mm socket, take this nut off. Slide that off. Now I'm going to separate the outer tie rod end from the knuckle. I'm just going to use a front end tool. You can use different types of tools. If you have a pickle fork or something like this, that'll work. Just give this a little tap. It's in position. I'll just tighten this. There we go. That popped off. Now I'm using a 13mm wrench and put it on the inner tie rod, and then just a pair of pliers. And just rotate the tie rod off. As you do this, you want to count how many turns you go, so that when you put the new one on, you get at least the alignment kind of close. 2, it's 3, 4, 12, 20, 21. Take the new one, get that started, and that's 1, 2, 11, 12. Take the new one, get this started. 1, 2, 3, 18, 19, 20, and 21. I'll line this up with the knuckle. Slide the nut in place. Just using the pry bar to prevent the stud from spinning. Now I'll torque this to 40 foot-pounds. That's good. Tighten the jam nut. If you can get a torque wrench on there, torque that to 44 foot-pounds. After you're done, you want to bring the vehicle to a local shop to have it aligned. You don't want to have premature tire wear. Put the wheel on, line that up, take the lug bolts, get that started. I'll tighten these all down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 95 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.